In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network but you are seeing this connected without internet error. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now tap on connections. In this menu, you'll need to tap on more connection settings. Now here tap on private DNS. Now make sure you have selected automatic in this menu and then tap on save. Additionally, you need to go to this VPN menu and make sure you are not connected to any VPN service. If you are, simply go ahead and disconnect your phone from the VPN app. Next, go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and then tap on general management. In here, you will need to tap on date and time. Now make sure your phone is set to automatic date and time. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on reset. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and then tap on this reset settings button to confirm. Once you have done this, simply restart your Samsung Galaxy phone and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.